Hey friend, I have 3 keys that I want to give you for creating the amazing wealth you deserve. Number 1, stop focusing on what you don't have or you'll never get it. The universe sends you back more of what you're focusing on. Stop focusing on being broke. Get excited and focus on what you will do when you get your millions. Number 2, take your attention off the things that are upsetting you and replace it with a more pleasant thought. Even though it's easier to focus on negative thoughts, they don't bring you what you want. If a thought is upsetting you, replace it with a thought that feels better. This new thought will create momentum in the direction of what you desire. The new thought doesn't have to be on the same topic. It just has to be in a better thought. The goal is to raise your vibration with your thinking. A higher vibration will always yield a higher outcome in every area of your life. Number 3, know that you don't have to make things happen. You just have to be able to allow them to happen. Make it your job to feel good. When you feel good, you raise your vibration and you attract higher vibrational people and situations. With this equation, money flows, love flows, and happiness flows. My friend, I hope that these 3 keys will help you as much as they have helped me in my life journey. And I wish you much happiness, much love, and much life.